In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use monday.com for inventory management. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to monday.com. This is the website where you'll manage your inventory, and it's incredibly user-friendly and robust in its features. Once you're on the website, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Log In. Clicking this will start the process of accessing your account. If you don't already have an account, you may want to go ahead and sign up, but today we're going to focus on logging in. Now you'll be presented with a couple of options to access your monday.com account. You can either log in with your Google account or enter an email address affiliated with your Monday account. My recommendation is to use the Google option, as it's often quicker and requires fewer clicks. If you chose to sign in with Google, you'll need to find the appropriate email address that you're using for your monday.com access. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to locate your workspace. Your workspace is where everything happens. Look for the plus sign button, which you will find next to your workspace area, and give it a click. This will enable you to add new elements to your workspace. Next, you'll see a few options for what you can add, but you're going to hover your mouse over the option that says Boards. Don't click it first, just hover. That way you can see the additional options that pop out. You'll notice a small arrowhead icon appears beside Boards, and that's exactly what you're going to click. Once you're in the right spot, you'll be prompted to either create something new or start with a template. To keep things simple and efficient, let's choose Start with Template. Now a new window will pop up featuring a variety of templates, and you'll want to make your way over to the search bar. Here you'll type the word inventory. When you type inventory, you'll immediately be directed to a specific template titled Inventory Management. Click on this option. This template is a perfect starting point for tracking your inventory, as it's pre-configured with the necessary columns and rows that make managing inventory a breeze. After selecting the inventory management template, be sure to click on Use Template. This action will import the template into your workspace and allow you to begin customizing it according to your own requirements. Feel free to add or remove columns, change the data types, or do whatever tweaks necessary to make it absolutely perfect for your specific needs. And that's it. Now you're all set to manage your inventory with monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.